Hi, you're welcome. Today I would like to show you this clutch. I used 1.5 skein and then I bought patch and I sew it on it. I prefer simple texture here because with the patch it seems much more better for my opinion. And I made tinsel here. I also add zipper at the linen, and you can use the tinsel, you can put it at the zipper, so you can use this way. And you can also add handle, chain handle. It's about 22 to 16. Let's see how to make it. For this bag we will use this macrame yarn. It's shiny, and I'll use 250 millimeters hook. And we will begin with slip knot. And then we'll make 50 chains. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. We'll make 50 chains. We have 50 chains and we will add one more, and then we will insert our hook to the second chain from the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, two together. So we will make single crochet until the end of the row. Insert your hook to the next, pull, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. I have finished the first side and my work is 25 centimeters here. If you like, you can make it longer or shorter. So here we'll make 3 single crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2 and 3. And we are turning back. We will crochet the second side, the other side, and we will insert our hook across this stitch. The stitches will face each other. Here. And we are hiding our tail also. You see, they are facing each other. I have single crochet here and here. And we will make this side also until the end. And then we will add our texture. We are at the end of the row, and here we have made one chain and single crochet in this stitch, so we need 2 more stitches, 1 and 2, and we won't join our row. We'll continue crocheting. We'll make single crochet in the next stitch, 1 chain, skip 1, single crochet in the second stitch, 1 chain, skip 1, single crochet in the second stitch, 1 chain, 1, 2, single crochet in the second, 1 chain, 1, 2, single crochet in the second chain. And we will work all around with this stitch. 1 chain, not here, to the second, single crochet. Let's make it all around. At the end of the second row, we have made chain, skip 1, single crochet to the last, and then we will make 1 single crochet, insert your hook between 2 single crochets below the chain we have made at the previous row, 1 chain between 2 single crochet. You see here we have made chain, 1 chain between single crochet, and keep going all around until we finish our bag. One chain between 2 single crochets here, or you can say 1 chain, skip 1 to the second, 1 chain, skip 1 below the second. This is gonna be our bag. I have finished my bag. The height is 16 centimeters. I think it's enough for me. Now we'll make this last row. We're going to the right on the single crochet from the previous row. Here, single crochet to the right. Now next single crochet to the right. We find the single crochet from the previous row and on the top of it. Not to the chains, just only over the single crochet stitch. Here. I think it's nice finishing. I have finished my bag and I made the tinsel here, and I also add a patch. I chose this one and I'll sew it on my bag. If you like, you can choose with animals, fruits, whatever you like. And then we will sew a linen inside also.